Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host of Intellect Digest, and what you see here is the Gionee S11 Lite. It has been some time we have seen new Gionee phones, and this is nice to see that they have come up with a smartphone which looks this premium. This phone is priced at around 13,000 rupees in India, and we have received only the phone. We don't have the box, so I'm not sure of the box contents and what all accessories you get. But just looking at the phone, it does look nicely built. It has this shiny back which looks glass because of the scratches that I observe here. It also picks up fingerprints quite easy, but the finish and the build of this phone looks promising. The side is somewhat plasticky, but it is glossy, looks nice. And here you have the power wake up key. There are two discrete volume keys on top of that. On the other side is a SIM card tray. So here you have a dual hybrid SIM sort of configuration. So you can either use two SIM cards or one SIM and one micro SD. So you can't do both. You can't expand the memory and have dual SIM. This one comes with 32 gigs of internal memory, by the way. On the bottom of the phone is 3.5mm audio port, microphone, charging port, and the speaker grill. And on the rear you get Gionee branding, fingerprint scanner. There's a 13+2 megapixel rear camera setup with LED flash, and on the front there is an 18:9 aspect ratio display. This is a HD plus display, and it comes with the software buttons, and on top of the display is a 16 megapixel front facing camera, earpiece, and some sensors. The display quality looks good for the price, as you can see. And let me turn the brightness higher, so this is all the way bright. Let me keep it to the 50% mark where it looks fine. And this is how it looks. The software interface is Amigo, which is their own skin. And if I show you the software versions here, this is the Amigo software 5.0 working on top of Android version 7.1.1 Nougat. Let me quickly show you the camera. And this one has a 13+2 rear configuration and a 16 megapixel front. So let me take a few shots. I tried taking a few pictures before starting this video, so I have some more samples to show you. There are certain modes provided here like time-lapse, panorama, video, photo, face beauty. And in photo mode you also get this aperture or the portrait sort of thing where it uses dual camera. Let's try that and see if it works. It needs a 1.5 meters distance, so I'm not able to click a portrait here. Let's try the front facing camera. And it has the portrait mode enabled on the front facing camera as well. So let me show you the results now. This is the picture that has been taken without the portrait. This is the one with portrait, and the edge detection is not great. As you can see, the edges, it has blurred abruptly, so it's just about okay. This is the picture that I took in the portrait mode. Not enough distance, but it has still tried to blur out the background, which is okay. So the rear camera portrait is working better than the front portrait. This is normal shot. This is another couple of shots that I took before starting this video. So the cameras are alright, software is alright. It is running Snapdragon 430 chipset underneath with 4 gigs of RAM, and there is 32 gigs of internal memory, out of which you will get roughly 25 gigs of free usage space. You can expand the memory via micro SD card. There's a 3030 mAh battery on the offer. At this price, with a Snapdragon 430 chip, with the kind of configuration and the display that you get, the design that you get, do you think it is worth the price, the asking price of around 13,000 rupees? I am not sure. There are many choices out there, but the best thing about this phone is probably its build quality. You let me know your thoughts in the comment section below and tell me, would you buy something like this? Leave a comment in the comment section. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video. Stay subscribed for more. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.